keep an eye on Soups for me.
No, not the solar paw punch.
The juice box thing!
But that'll kill him.
Crypto. No.
Now, when you love somebody, and I mean you really love them, you gotta be willing to do anything for them.
Even if it hurts?
Especially then. Man, it sucks being a K9 shield.
You saved my life, man.
Hey, well, you were in the middle of saving ours.